Hello, my name is Skycy.
And Pearl, it's nice to see you again.
In the previous video, we talked about the data storage documentation architecture and methods for obtaining documentation resources. Today, we are going to take a closer look at OceanStor Dorado V6 Infocenter.
This is a new information center for OceanStor Dorado V6 offline storage. It came out last year and has been popular with both our engineers and customers. It integrates nearly all of the resources for OceanStor Dorado V6, including documentation, online tools, and the Storage Academy.
Okay, let's check out and see how it helps users.
You can use Huawei Data Storage Infocenter to go to OceanStor Dorado V6 Infocenter. Our last video talked about how to enter Huawei Data Storage Infocenter, but let's briefly outline the process again. On e.huawei.com, go to the technical support website and choose Enterprise Storage. On the documentation bookshelf page, click See More. Here we are. Then choose Products, All-Flash Storage, OceanStor Dorado V6. Finally, select a product model to go to OceanStor Dorado V6 Infocenter.
This is the home page. In the search box, you can search for the resources you want. There are 3 tabs: Documentation, Online Tools, and Storage Academy. Now, let's go over the features of each tab.
First, we have Documentation. Right under the tab, you can select a desired product model and version. The 3D product display is presented on the left. You can drag and rotate it to examine the product from different angles or zoom in to see more details.
The area on the right provides some basic information about the storage model, including product positioning, highlights, typical applications, controller enclosures, and disk enclosures. Simply click the items that you want to learn about to view more details. You can also enable the terminology function to view explanations of unfamiliar terms.
As you scroll down to the area below, a navigation bar will be displayed on the top of the page, so you can get to the desired part quickly. In the deployment area, you can follow the steps provided here to complete the deployment, including engineering survey, planning and design, and installation and deployment. Click any step to view more details.
In the configuration area, you can learn to configure basic storage services as well as some value-added features. What's particular about this part is that we make the value-added feature into GIFs to clearly illustrate how each feature works.
We also provide best practices and OEM guides for daily maintenance and troubleshooting. In the reference area, you can directly access the command references, communication metrics, and related materials.
Actually, all the information on the documentation tab page are from different locations at our technical support website. One of the biggest advantages of OceanStor Dorado V6 Infocenter is that it integrates all resources into one unified and intuitive source of information.
Yes, that's why we highly recommend this infocenter if you're using OceanStor Dorado V6. Besides, our tools will also save you from drowning into piles of documents. So now let's try some of the tools.
All of the tools for OceanStor Dorado V6 are integrated under Online Tools. We will use 2 new tools, 3D Interactive Product Display and Specifications Query Assistant as an example here.
Let's try exploring our product with the 3D display. Go to 3D Experience Center and choose a product. Okay, here we are. Take a moment to scan the QR code to view the product on your mobile device and follow along as we introduce this tool. This is an overall view. On the upper right corner, it's a brief introduction of this product. If you want to take a closer look with more details, click Explosion, and you will get an exploded view of all the components in the model. We can see on the right column that all components are displayed by default. If you deselect a component, then it will disappear from the view. In this way, you can check out what's inside the product. You can also move a component by clicking Component. As you can see, the 3D Experience Center provides a more intuitive and interesting way to learn about products than a product description in a document.
Now, let's try Specifications query. You can search and compare the hardware and software specifications of all Huawei storage products. If you have the target storage model, you can search for specifications by model. Select a product series, a model, and a version. All specifications of the storage model are displayed here. You can find and view a specific item by search or by category. You can also use search by keyword to query specifications. In addition, Compare Specifications allows you to compare specifications among different product models and versions. Click Add to select a product series. Select the models and versions that you want to compare. You will see the differences in blue.
We've introduced 2 new tools to you, and I hope they are helpful. Personally, I think most tools are useful and save me a lot of time, because I no longer need to search for the information in the traditional fake documents.
Besides, if you are interested in any other tools, you can always try it yourself. Now, let's move on to the last tab, Storage Academy.
This is a learning platform for storage products. Huawei provides a vast library of product learning materials. This library includes basic knowledge about OceanStor Dorado V6 all-flash storage products and their delivery. We also provide videos for hardware installation, parts replacement, and various other processes.
That concludes our presentation on OceanStor Dorado V6 Infocenter. Remember to stay ahead of the game by scanning the QR code to subscribe for more videos and the latest documentation resources.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Bye!